Hello boat fans, Tim from Boatshed Brighton. Let's have a look around this, she must be a historical wooden yacht. Now, we don't know what she is yet, but what we do know is she's lovely. And if somebody doesn't take her soon, for free, with a free lift onto transport, there's every chance this beautiful old yacht will be cut up and she'll be either wood burner material or possibly just landfill. Now, we don't want that, and we've got a great track record of saving these boats. She needs a lot of work. From the inside you can see a lot of daylight, but that just means there's a bit of woodwork to be done and there's a bit of caulking to be done. Well, a lot of caulking to be done, let's be honest. But we've seen worse, and we've seen worse brought back to life. So let's have a look. So here we've got our chain plates. Doesn't look too bad to me. People walk past this boat and they all comment on how pretty she is, and we do agree. There we go on the stem, so a bit more in-depth work required there, we think. Let's have a look underneath. There we go. So yeah, unhealthy but not terminal. Now there we go, we've got a fitting missing there, and all sorts of bits to be done. You can see the caulking's been pulled out there, another bit of caulking a bit further aft. Chain plates on this side don't look so healthy. You can see where some inserts have been put in, but these things are fixable. If I just go underneath here, actually, I noticed we've got some holes in the bottom again where somebody's been shaping some inserts. Looks like they need finishing off. So if you think you could take her and sort her out, or maybe make her into something new, get her used for something. She doesn't have an engine. We do have a mast for her. We don't have the rigging. We think we have the boom. There are lots of spares and bits and pieces residing in the bilge, including some what look like new ribs, but yeah, no engine, no prop. So yeah, if you'd like to take a look at her, she's in the Brighton area, just PM me, give me a shout, and I'll give you details how to get a look at her and how you can get her lifted onto transport for free and taken away. This is a genuine offer. Help us save this fabulous boat. Hope to speak to you soon. Boat fans, help me save this boat. Beautiful old wooden boat. Needs a lot of TLC, but just take a look at her interior. Pretty much stripped out. We can see daylight in places. Nice deck head. Portholes all around. Nice big wide companionway. The bilge is full of things like sails, bits and pieces. That might be the boom there, not sure. There we go, see daylight through there. But we've got what should be a berth here, I think, full of tools and shackles and bits and pieces, cupboards underneath. And then starboard aft corner we've got the galley, sink, and underneath the companionway space for the engine, but there is no engine unfortunately. But she's a lovely wooden boat, but we don't really want to see her go to the breaker's yard. So let's have a quick look around the upper deck, cockpit. So if we can walk along the sides, go forwards along the deck. Forepeak there, look. Hatch down below. And finally, we've got a deck prism too. I'll just turn aft and we can see along there. So yeah, help us save this boat. Let me know if you're interested. Have a great day.